Are you selling your home and you need to buy a replacement home and you need the funds of the home that you're selling to purchase another property? Sellers, right now here in San Diego, we have very little inventory. Homes are selling like hotcakes and typically only take around 5 to 8 days to sell, sometimes less, and they're selling with multiple offers and bidding wars. So many sellers are worried that they won't be able to find a replacement home. This is a totally valid concern given the market. Hi, I'm Abkar, your local realtor here in San Diego with Windermere Homes and Estates. One solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do what's called a rent back. So you may be wondering what a rent back is. A rent back is when after you sell your home, you remain in the property. This way, you have the funds to purchase a new home and you will not be contingent, so your offer is much more likely to get accepted on a new home. This will take the stress and worry off. Now, there are terms to navigate and negotiations that need to be considered to keep you safe, but after selling many homes and helping many sellers navigate these exact same waters, I know what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So no need to worry, and this is just one of many solutions that we have. And don't worry, there's never any pressure or obligation in meeting with me. I'm just here to help you navigate the best strategy when it comes to selling. I look forward to hear from you. If you ever have any questions at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out. I strive to be our community's trusted realtor and advisor for life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.